show up in circuit and signal processing in abundance. They are used in the helper transform, the design of power system, and more. Application of complex numbers in quantum mechanics. Complex numbers are deeply integrated in the mathematical formalism of quantum mechanics, including wave functions and the Schrödinger equation. Application of complex numbers in computer science. Complex numbers and the closely related concept of Fourier transform are used extensively in these fields. Application of complex numbers in aerospace engineering. Complex numbers find various applications in aerospace engineering, particularly in the analysis and modeling of dynamic system, vibration, and fluid dynamics. Finally, the complex numbers play a pivotal role in understanding the world around us, as this allows us to look at the problem from new perspective, even if we can't directly see complex number in real life. So thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you so much, Abdissalam, for this presentation. Okay, so if you have any question, please. So otherwise, thank you again for the history that you gave about complex number and the, the applications that you give. But we would like to see uh, really some illustrations of these applications. But it's okay. It's okay. Thank you so much, Abdissalam.
Thank you,
Okay.
teacher.
So we go to the next. Nabil Kartiti. Nabil Kartiti. Can you hear me? Okay. لبنى بوحدة لبنى. Okay. So can you please share your presentation?
Yes. I don't know how I share my screen.
Go in the middle, in the middle of your. You see in the bottom of your screen, in the middle there is an icon in which you can. When you click on it, okay, good. Okay. So okay, your screen is it's clear, and so you can use mode presentation.
Okay. Now I use mode presentation.
No, not in mode presentation. I think no. You can go please in the bottom of in the left not in the right. In the right there is, I think, or control L. Control L. Otherwise you have to share all the screen as Mustafa said before. When you start to share your screen, you have to. There is two choice, I think. Mustafa, there is two choice, I think. So you have to
Yeah,
click.
yes, teacher.
You have to share the whole screen, I think. Did you understand, Lubna?
Yes, yes,
So
I
now
see what you
stop
mean.
sharing, stop sharing,
Okay.
and start again. Start again. You will. Okay. Start sharing your screen, and so there is two choice. You will find two choice. So the first one is share the whole screen. Yes. Okay. Good. Good. Now you
Now,
can go. Yeah. Now you can use the mode presentation.
now
Okay.
you will see mod presentation.
Yes. Yes. We can see it,
Yes. Okay. So
but we can. But we can
what?
see. We can. Yeah. We can see a screen, but there is no name. There is no title.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
So
Anyway, you can start. Okay. Yeah.
so my presentation it's about Fibonacci numbers. Now I am going to start my presentation by defining Fibonacci numbers. Then I'll talk briefly history of Fibonacci numbers. Then I'll talk how Fibonacci numbers describe many things in the nature. So Fibonacci numbers or a Fibonacci sequence, it's the series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers, which means the next number is found by adding up the two number before. For example, here 2 equal 1 plus 1, 3 equal 1 plus 2. Mathematically, we can describe this as if fn equal fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. Fibonacci sequence was named for Leonardo Pisa, known as Fibonacci. Fibonacci means the son of Bonacci. Fibonacci sequence was known before in India about in India in 200 BCE. We can find the Fibonacci numbers everywhere in the nature. Here are some of the most common patterns and sequence of Fibonacci numbers in the nature. For example, the petals in some plants such as sunflowers, lilies, rose, and buttercups follow the Fibonacci patterns, and these follower are called Fibonacci flowers. And for example, spirals are found when the pine cone are equal to Fibonacci numbers. And the last example, Seychelles and starfish that we find on the horse follow the patterns of Fibonacci numbers. The Fibonacci sequence has many uses in real life, namely in the real realms of computer science and finance. So, finally, thank you for your listening.
Okay. Thank you so much, Lubna, for respecting the time. Your presentation was a bit short. Okay. Anyway, if you have any question, please. There is no question. There is no question. Okay. If there is no question, so
I,
we move to the next one.
I
And
both.
thank you so much, Lubna, for this presentation. Yes, yes, Mohammed, do you have any question?
I'm sorry, I have a problem in connection.
Yes. Mohammed, your name, Mohammed, yeah,
Yes,
okay. So you can share your presentation.
yes,
Okay, you can share your presentation. Okay, so Mohammed Dwini will talk
yes,
about statistics. Okay, so
yes. About statistics.
okay, so go ahead, please.
My ecran is shown or not?
Yes, yes, it's very clear.
Yes.
Go ahead, please.
My presentation is about statistics. So I begin by the definition and the scope of statistics and qualities, advantages, disadvantages, and limitation of statistics. So, definition. The statistics is a branch of mathematics that involves the collection, analysis, and organization of data. It plays a crucial role in various fields and offers several advantages. Here we see the scope of statistics. There are many scope. We begin by statistics and planning, responsible into planning in the modern age, which is called the age of planning. Almost all over the world, the government are restoring to planning for economic development. Statistics and economics, statistical data and the technique of statistical analysis have to immensely useful involving economical problems such as wages, price, demand analysis. Statistics and business. Statistics is an irresponsible tool of production control. Business executives are relying more and more on statistical technique for studying the match and the desire of the valued customers. Widely whether the product is conforming to the not statistical tools such as inspection, plan control, statistics and mathematics. Statistics are intimately related. Recent advancement in statistical technique are the outcome of wide applications of mathematics and statistics and modern science in medical science. The statistical tools for collection, presentation, and analysis of observed facts relating to causes and incidence of disease and the result of application various drugs and medicine are of great importance. So, statistics, psychology, and education. In education and physiology, statistics determine or to determine the reliability and validity to attest factor analysis, etc. And we can, such as statistics and war. In war, the theory of decision function can be a great assistance to the military and the personnel to plan maximum destruction with minimum effort. In state management administration, statistics is essential for countries because policies of the government are based on statistics. In natural and social science, also, it plays
a vital role in almost all the knowledge systems. Represent the things in their true form with the help of figures, while statistics can be vague and indefinite. Show precision to the facts. The statistics are presented in a definite form, so they also help in condensing the data into important figures. Of tea on the conception of tea in other countries. For countries with but is uncertainty. Future is uncertain, but statistics help the various phenomenon of the world to make correct estimation using the various data of the part. So, simplification of complex facts. The foremost purpose of the statistic is to simplify a collection of numerical data. Here we talk about qualities, characteristics of statistics. Statistics should be numerically expressed. For example, the percentage of economic growth in North African countries. We expose these facts clearly by diagrams in order to make it understandable to others. So, fact means the facts pertinent to a group of or individuals item. Statistics are affected to a market extent by a multiplicity of causes, and it should be collected for predetermined purpose. About the advantages of statistics. They support qualitative data obtained from questions, interviews with hard facts. Systematic samples are relatively easy to construct, execute, compare, and understand. This is or surveys. A systematic method also provides research and stages of statistics. They are not appropriate method to understand issues in great depth and identify ways to solve problems highlighted. They are able to evaluate user opinions, needs, or satisfaction with service. It might be too time consuming to arrange method collection. Uh, Limitations of statistics. The statistical expressed in quantitative terms. When even phenomena happen, that is due to many causes, but all these causes cannot be expressed in terms of data. So we cannot reach at the correct conclusion. It's liable to be misused. It's a delicate science and can be easily misused by an unscrupulous person. Statistical methods are best applicable on quantitative data. Statistical methods cannot be applied to heterogeneous data. Its sufficient care is not exercised in collecting, analyzing, and interpretation the data. Statistical results might be misleading. Only a person who has an expert knowledge of statistics can handle statistical data efficiently. And thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Mohammed, for the presentation.
You
So,
are
if you
welcome,
have,
Ya Prophet.
do you have any question? Do you have any question? Okay, so Mohammed, you talked in your presentation about statistics and you gave a definition and some application, some advantage, disadvantage, and some limitation. Okay,
Yes.
but you didn't talk about the history of statistics.
Uh, so
Do you know something
I
about
didn't
the
talk about
history?
story. No, no, I didn't talk about it. Just I
Okay,
give the definition and the function of statistics
okay,
and the
okay.
scope
Yes,
of statistics.
because your presentation is a little bit it is a general presentation actually. So the most one of the most important when we talk about some notion or some discipline is to talk first about the history. Okay. Anyway, uh, I have some remarks. So instead of using text, I think it will be better if you use some images. Okay, when you talk about,
Yes.
for example, about application. So instead of using text, you can use some images or and also you have to avoid to put text in your slides. Okay, you have a lot of text in your slides. Okay. Otherwise, it's okay. Thank you so much for the presentation. So if you have any question, if not, so we move to the next. Uh, Hamidi Ashraf. Thank you so much, Mohammed, for the presentation. Hamidi
You
Ashraf,
are welcome.
can you hear me? Hamidi Ashraf. Okay. Musari Fatim Zahra. Uh, I think Musari. Musari Fatim Zahra.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, please, can you share your presentation?
Yes. Teacher, it's okay. I can.
No, no, no. Yes, we can see your screen, but we can't see your presentation. Can you please share your presentation? Can you share your presentation? Fatima, go to the presentation. Fatima, can you hear me? Fatim Zahra, can you hear me? Okay. Yes, Fatim Zahra. please share your presentation?
Yes, yes, teacher. Now?
Not yet. Not yet. Stop sharing.
It's the same problem, teacher. She had to share the
Yes.
whole screen.
Fatima Zahra. Fatima Zahra, can you hear? Can you hear me, Fatima Zahra? You have to share the whole screen. Okay. So Hamidi Ashraf. Here. Yunus. Yunus Baba. Yunus Baba. أحمد برا هنا. أحمد برا هنا. أحمد برا هنا. Okay. Yes, Fatim Zahra, can you hear me? Can you please share your screen? Okay. أحمد برا هنا. Okay. أزمي أيوب. أيوب أزمي. أيوب أزمي.
Yes, teacher.
Teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Fatim Zahra. You can share your presentation. So we move to Azmi Ayub until you fix your problem, Fatim Zahra. Okay. So Ayub, can you please share your presentation?
Okay. Okay. I know.
No, not yet.
I will arrête. Presentation.
You have to share the whole screen.
Yes. Partager.